the secularization process that the Catalan society is living is also in parallel to what's happening or what has happened all over Europe in the last century due to the modernization process, urbanization, the growth of and the popularization of public education. On the one hand, Catalonia is kind of similar to the other European countries because it's also having this secularization process, but on the other hand, it's quite different because this process was very fast during the dictatorship that was in a way supporting Franco regime. Many people thought and in a way equate freedom and democracy with no religion. There are many sociologists that talk about the culturalization of religion, that where part of religion becomes secularized and become included as part of the general culture and are seen and are perceived as non-religious elements. No, you don't ask yourself why Sunday is no working day, no, and Sunday is no working day. This has a clear religious origin, but we have invisibilized this. We talk about Semana Santa, and even the Muslims living here talk about Semana Santa, but nobody thinks that because you say that you are in Semana Santa, you are gonna pray because you can. Yeah, this has changed a lot in the last 20 years. The Catalan religious landscape has been diversified, and this is mainly due to migration dynamics and especially migration coming from the global south. Feel especially the growth of Islam, but not only, also the growth of evangelical churches. There's a general acceptance of religious diversity in Catalonia, especially worrying the growth of the extreme far right, which has a discourse very against that goes against minorities, especially against Islam, but not only against Islam. Anyone who goes beyond, who cross against this stereotype of the white male Christian gets some kind of criticism.